Alright, there we go, on glide slope.
Alright. So now let's get us slow it down below 85 so we can start adding our flaps in. That'll make things a lot easier. Not yet, below 85 we can add our flaps in. Good, you can throw one of them in at a time. Alright, so now the closer we get, it's going to be a lot more sensitive, so just smaller adjustments to get back to where we want to be. Let's get that power back in there.
Am I below or above?
You are way below, so let's add that power back in. We can add our last 2 notches of flaps in, maybe we can get a little balloon.
On the green diamond on my left to right, I fly towards the diamond, correct?
Yes.
Alright, there's center line right there.
Alright, let's get back up on our altitude. We can add our flaps in after we get below 85. Yeah, just trade our altitude or airspeed for altitude here. Let's just pitch up and not. Yeah, there you go. So now we're back where we want to be. Let's add our flaps back in now. Now let's hold 75 now. So let's bring our power back. Alright, we're 500, 300 at minimums.
500.
There you go. Alright, small adjustments now, small adjustments. A little bit to the right. Small adjustments, no more than probably 3 degrees of heading here. Good, a little high. Good, the speed's looking good, we're good right here. Just keep this falling down. Got 50 to minimums. And there's minimums, take them off.
Alright, I'll take it.
And you're good. Alright, let's slow it down to 70. Center tower, this landing will be full stop for 0 Foxtrot Tango.
0 Foxtrot Tango, runway 35, wind 030 at 6, clear to land.
Clear to land, 35, 0 Foxtrot Tango. Good, start walking that power back once we get over the runway. Alright, we start walking it back. Bring it down, bring that nose down. Keep the nose down, right rudder. Transition to eyes into the runway. Add a little bit of right rudder. Bring us out, hold it. And let that nose down, good. Awesome. Beautiful approach. We're kind of all over the place,
A little
but
rough.